So we're here at this lovely home. See, we have tanks up here, and this homeowner is doing a pump replacement. I'll show you the age on this pump. Very old, and it's also just creating a lot of noise. You can see the entire plastic housing where the capacitor goes. It's totally gone through, so we recommended replacing it. And this is their bedroom right here. So what we're going to do one time is we're going to move this pump, and what we are installing there is a new 3/4 horsepower smart head configured Leo pump. The reason we're using this smart head instead of a pressure tank and pressure switch system like what they have here is because the smart head will shut down the pump if the tanks run dry. It's a long distance until the tanks. So I'm going to set up the camera, and we'll see how this job goes. Bad boy right up here for you. So as you can see, on this configuration here, we're using the Schedule 80 unionized valves, especially as we're so tight to the wall. Never need to be changed for whatever reason. They can be because they're unionized, and also because this is a indoor pump. This should just last basically as long as a metal one would. You know, plastic doesn't rust. So all the old pipe has been removed, the old pump is out, and yeah, we're gonna keep rolling. This is our old line that the pump was then pushing the water in. The discharge line for the pump is connected across here. So we're going to tap into it on this side, come across and come down. Alright guys, so we pull back up to this job here, lovely St. Anne's, and this is a pump installation job and also a pump relocation. This customer was complaining of the pump being too close to their house, to their room, and so the pump used to sit right in this region here, and as you saw in the other videos, we managed to move it here. We installed a lovely Leo Smarthead. It's a 3/4 horsepower pump, and since our last job, this customer has been complaining that the pump is continuously running and they're losing water. When we asked if this was a problem encountered with the old pump, she said it was running but not as often. So we know it's not from something we did, so we're trying to solve this problem for them. This is the main lining from the municipal water system, and as you can see, we changed this check valve for them, which would prevent the pump from pumping water back out into the municipal system. That didn't solve the problem, which means there's probably an underground leak here. We're gonna have to get leak detection in to see about this issue. So if you look here now, right here is where there was the old pump going in, teed out that way, 90 this way, with a check valve right here, and instead now we have the check valve that we've just reinstalled right there, just to give this customer the security that the system is just as we found it.